Today, I'll show you how to permanently share your location in Google Maps. Google Maps lets you share your live location with someone so they can see where you are in real time. This is useful for family members, close friends, or anyone you trust. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select Location Sharing. Tap Share Location. Google Maps will ask how long you want to share your location. To share it permanently, choose until you turn this off. This means your live location will stay shared until you manually stop it. Next, choose the person you want to share your location with. You can select someone from your Google Contacts or send a sharing link through apps like Messages, WhatsApp, or email. After choosing the person, tap Share. The other person will now be able to see your live location in Google Maps. They may also see your battery level and whether your device is charging, depending on your settings. To manage your shared location later, go back to Google Maps, tap your profile picture, then open Location Sharing. Here, you can see who has access to your location. If you ever want to stop sharing, select the person and tap Stop. For location sharing to work properly, keep location services turned on and allow Google Maps to access your location in your phone settings. And that's it. You've successfully shared your location permanently in Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.